Alright guys, Brian with VetteSource back here today on another hot August afternoon. Or actually, we may still be in mid-morning, almost afternoon. So today I'm going to bring you a little more detail on one of our cars in our collection of field finds. The video I did last week, I've got a link to that at the top of my head here. Today I'm going to focus on this 64 Buick Riviera. Now this car here was actually running and driving into this spot, so it was a running project car at the time when it was acquired. You can see this is the early style Riviera with the clamshell headlight assemblies. Really neat cars. You can see here the motor is complete, driven into its current place, and it's been sitting like this for a couple years now. It's all here. Everything's on it still. Of course, with any 50+ year old car, there's body work to be addressed, and it's been sitting, so interior obviously needs to be restored. There is a ton of parts in the back seat. The whole back seat's filled with interesting parts. I think there are also even another set of clamshell headlights back here somewhere. You can see those big round gauges there that are kind of a Buick or feature back in the early 60s to mid 60s. Headliner's still in there, needs to be redone. The overall structure of the car is fairly solid. Some light corrosion, of course, it's just roached out from sitting, you know. I think what they were trying to do is maybe start some body work here by spot welding pieces in, but I'm not sure they got much further than that, stitching it together. The trunk is full of parts too. I can't get that all the way open. I think there's another AC box, fuel tank, all kinds of stuff in there. I believe we have another hood for this car too. For some reason I can't figure out, unless, no, I don't know why. Looks like they were trying to relocate the taillights on this car. So I don't know what they were thinking with that there. You know what I mean? See here, the quarterback here needs some work. Hubcaps are still there. I think all 4 of the hubcaps are on it. Stainless trim still there. The glass is relatively good. Windshield will probably need to be replaced. Wiper blades are there. This hood is not any good, but like I said, there's another hood that comes with the car. This clamshell is intact on this one here. I think it's still here on this one too. Yeah, there it is. It's still there. So you can see, if you never understood how that mechanical process works on these, they just open up like that. So it's kind of cool. Kind of a neat system. And I'm not sure on these if they're vacuum operated or how they go. Horns are still in here. So, you know, pretty complete car. Here's a shot of the trim tag. If you guys looking to decode stuff, there it is right there. Hopefully that'll show up on camera so you can see what that is. Rear view mirrors are on it. The vent windows are there. Just like I said, it's been sitting, so it needs to be gone through. It's a complete car that ran. Needs somebody to give it some TLC. Doors are still pretty solid. They're not all rotted out. Undercarriage doesn't look horrible, doesn't look perfect either, but it's there. So, like I said, this will be one of the cars I'm detailing in this collection of 22, 23 field find kind of cars that are my buddies moving them out. If anybody has any questions, you can reach me at 832-654-7367, or if you'd like to see some details on any of the other cars in the collection, let me know. I can make another video of those. I'll be slowly getting through these cars, but if you want one in particular, let me know. Like I said, refer back to that video that I made last week so you can see all the cars that are out here. So appreciate you if you stuck around to the end, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow on our next video. Thanks again for watching.